Hold on to your nan's corpse, it's review time.
Hey, it's Karl Welshman, K Welshman Karl, with a review of Fridge Raiders. Have a little look what we got going on. So Fridge Raiders are powered by protein, chicken bites, seasoned chicken breast. High in protein apparently, 4 kilograms. 4 kilograms? 4 fucking kilograms? That's a lot of protein. It's 4 grams. So the initial thing when you open up this packet of Southern style Fridge Raiders is the aroma that hits your nostrils. Is it pleasant? I don't know. This is the little nug that's in there. Kind of a chickeny chunk. Let's have a look. Ah! Oh Christ. I needed more saliva with that. Yeah, nice if you like chicken. Fridge Raiders, slow roasted. I don't think it's going to taste that different to the other Fridge Raiders really, but let's have a little look, shall we? 5 grams, not 5 kilos of protein in these. These ones smell a little more pleasant than the last ones, but let's have a taste. Now, last time I put them all in and without any explanation, and the reason for that is because to get the full taste of these little things, you need to grab them in. Yeah, tastes like chicken. I just actually see a little piece of something come out of my moustache. Don't know whether it was from Fridge Raiders, could mean from something else. Bye.